If you're following our Global Economic Outlook series, hit subscribe to stay updated with new country releases. The Taiwan Economy Productive 2026 narrative reflects a continuation of output growth, strong labor market dynamics, controlled inflation, stable interest rates, and a low debt burden as the country transitions from an exceptional 2025 performance toward a slightly more moderate but still productive economic environment. Taiwan's economy, heavily shaped by export-driven industry and high-technology sectors, particularly semiconductors and artificial intelligence, AI-related products, is expected to sustain positive momentum in 2026, even as global headwinds and geopolitical tensions pose challenges. A central indicator of Taiwan's economic productivity in 2026 is the GDP annual growth rate. In 2025, Taiwan's real GDP growth surged to 7.37%, the fastest in over a decade, fueled by robust export activity in high-tech sectors like AI-related semiconductor products. For 2026, growth forecasts remain constructive, with models projecting annual GDP expansion near 3.5 to 4%, still well above many developed economies. Underlying these projections is strong export performance, which remains a key engine of productivity. Taiwan's position in the global semiconductor supply chain, anchored by TSMC, ensures significant global demand for advanced chips used in AI, cloud computing, and high-performance computing. Taiwan's export growth is expected to remain positive in 2026, sustaining foreign exchange earnings and contributing substantially to GDP. This underscores Taiwan's competitive edge, even amid trade tensions. The unemployment rate also reflects a productive economic environment. The labor market remains tight, with the rate near 3.3 to 3.4%, one of the lower figures among advanced economies. This low unemployment suggests plentiful job opportunities in high-tech manufacturing and services, which support household incomes and consumption. In 2026, the rate is expected to remain at similar levels. Monetary policy is calibrated to maintain price stability while supporting economic activity. The central bank has kept its interest rate unchanged at around 2% through 2025 and into 2026. A stable interest rate environment with low borrowing costs encourages investment and consumption. By ensuring predictable credit conditions, policymakers foster a climate where investment decisions can be made with reduced uncertainty. Inflation remains subdued and stable, bolstering Taiwan's productive environment. Consumer price inflation has trended around 1.6 to 1.8% and is expected to remain near this range in 2026. Such contained inflation stabilizes real incomes and preserves purchasing power. Low and predictable inflation helps reduce cost volatility for businesses, enabling them to plan long-term investments more reliably. Fiscal dynamics further reinforce Taiwan's productive outlook. The debt-to-GDP ratio remains significantly low, with public debt levels near 20% of GDP and projected to decline modestly into 2026. This low debt burden gives the government flexibility for investment in productivity-enhancing areas like infrastructure and R&D, without jeopardizing fiscal sustainability. The structure of Taiwan's economy contributes importantly to the 2026 outlook. High-technology manufacturing, particularly semiconductors and electronics, constitute significant shares of output and exports. Rapid advancements in AI, 5G, and cloud computing have heightened global reliance on Taiwanese firms, sustaining demand and driving capital formation in these sectors. Domestic consumption, while not the primary driver, has shown resilience thanks to stable employment and moderate inflation. Consumer spending contributes steadily to overall demand, complementing exports and investment. Investment trends further underscore productive expectations for 2026. Capital investment, especially in high-technology industries, R&D, and automated manufacturing, continues to rise, reinforcing long-term productive capacity. Firms are likely to invest in new technologies that deliver efficiency gains, supported by stable financial conditions. External economic relations remain pivotal. Geopolitical relationships with major markets like the United States, Europe, and other Asian economies influence export performance and investment flows. While trade tensions present uncertainties, sustained demand for cutting-edge technology provides a buffer. Trade diversification efforts and strategic partnerships further enhance Taiwan's ability to access new markets. Challenges remain, including demographic pressures from an aging population and the need for continued innovation. Domestic policy efforts to improve workforce skills, enhance education, and foster entrepreneurship are crucial to maintaining long-term productivity gains. In summary, Taiwan economy productive 2026 is characterized by continued GDP growth above many peers, low unemployment, stable interest rates, moderate inflation and low debt-to-GDP ratios, all underpinned by a globally competitive high-tech export sector and strategic investment in productivity-enhancing industries. While growth moderates from the extraordinary highs of 2025, Taiwan's structural strengths and macroeconomic stability position it for sustainable productivity and resilient economic performance in 2026. Structure and sectoral composition of Taiwan's economy contribute importantly to the 2026 productive outlook. High-technology manufacturing, particularly semiconductors, electronics, precision machinery, and related industries, constitute significant shares of output and exports. Domestic consumption, while not the primary driver of Taiwan's economy, has shown resilience thanks to stable employment and moderate inflation. Consumer spending on services, retail and housing contributes steadily to overall demand, complementing the export and investment components of GDP. Investment trends in Taiwan further underscore productive expectations for 2026. Capital investment, especially in high-technology industries, research and development facilities, and automated manufacturing capacities, continues to rise, reinforcing long-term productive capacity. External economic relations and global integration remain pivotal to Taiwan's productivity story. Geopolitical relationships, particularly with major markets like the United States, Europe, and other Asian economies, influence export performance and investment flows. While trade tensions and tariffs present uncertainties, sustained demand for cutting-edge technology products provides a buffer and supports productive output. Trade diversification efforts, expanded agreements and strategic economic partnerships further enhance Taiwan's ability to access new markets and reduce reliance on any single external market, preserving export-driven productivity growth. Challenges remain, including demographic pressures from an aging population and the need for continued innovation to stay ahead in global technology competition. Domestic policy efforts to improve workforce skills, enhance education and foster entrepreneurship are crucial to maintaining productivity gains. Taiwan's structural reforms, aimed at enhancing business conditions and attracting foreign direct investment, complement these long-term efforts. In summary, Taiwan economy productive 2026 is characterized by continued GDP growth above many peers, low unemployment, stable interest rates, moderate inflation and low debt-to-GDP ratios, all underpinned by a globally competitive high-tech export sector and strategic investment in productivity-enhancing industries. While growth moderates from the extraordinary highs of 2025, Taiwan's structural strengths and macroeconomic stability position it for sustainable productivity and resilient economic performance in 2026. For more data-driven insights and global market breakdowns, subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay informed, stay ahead. This is Economics FX, where clarity meets strategy. Until next time, trade smart.